as you all know, I'm delighted now to be manager, and what that means now, and we're going to do this live so that you can see how we do this, because somebody asked me this the other week when they became executive. So this is a good opportunity to show. I'm now going to claim a $7,500 cash bonus. I don't want the Rolex because I've already got one of those. What I want is the $7,500 cash bonus. So I'm now going to claim that on this call so that you can all see how that works. I achieved the rank last night, which was July. So today's August. Between the 1st and the 5th, I can now claim this prize. So I'm now going to claim my $7,500, and it basically says choose the way you want to get to the prize. Claim the physical prize means I'm claiming the Rolex. What I want to do is I want to claim the cash prize. So I tick the radio check button here that says claim the cash prize, 7,500. Okay. There's my wallet address, which is great. That's the wallet I want it to go to. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to click submit, and that's it. The claim request is created. So you can now see that this button has turned to already claimed. So I've claimed my prize. So for going manager last night, I earned a cash bonus of $7,500. So added to the income that I've already got, it's been about a $14,000 week for me, which is an amazing thing in a business that I've been in for 106 days now. Amazing thing. Now at this juncture, what I'm going to do, invite Richard back into the call. And what I'd like to do is hand the screen over to Richard, because Richard's going to share his screen and show you something amazing. So Richard, if you can share your screen with us.
Here we go. So as the president, the company gives you a Porsche. Now, I have actually been given a Porsche in another company previous to this, but they did what so many other companies do. They actually just pay the monthly fee. The problem with that is if you leave the company, you're left with the monthly fee. So this is much better. The company actually buys you the car. But unfortunately, on this occasion, I'm actually just going to take the cash. Kidding. No, I'm going to take the car, definitely. So there we go.
That's amazing. Congratulations, Richard. That's amazing.
Thanks, guys.
I do expect you to take me out for a spin in it once it arrives.
Absolutely. And guys, this is open to everyone on this call.
Everyone.
You know, if you're a director, you're nearly there. Let's see if we can get you there before convention in November. Yeah. If you're a brand new person to this company, just remember, just do the basics and go to get 3 people, get to executive, and then build it from there. And you can go all the way to the top with this plan. This is open to absolutely everyone. We are so in the right place at the right time.
We are. Yep, that's great. And you know, for those people who are new to the business or new to network marketing, what you've just witnessed is 2 leaders in the business and 1 exceptional leader in the business getting a brand new Porsche 911. Just let that sink in for a moment. You just saw somebody claim a brand new Porsche 911 live on this call. Isn't that fantastic? And again, my congratulations to you, Richard. So well done for that.